Good morning, students. Here in this chapter circle, we are going to discuss the second theorem. Theorem is the length of tangents drawn from an external point are equal. So, we are talking about a tangent and a circle. So, first of all, we will draw one circle and one external point. Suppose this point is external point P and center of the circle is O. If we draw tangents from P to the circle, we are going to get two circles. If we draw tangent, suppose if we draw tangents from this point P to this two circle, let PA and PB be the two circle. Okay, then we have to prove that length of this tangent P to A and P to B, means PA and PB are equal. So what is given? First we have to write the given information. So given is here, in triangle, let a circle with center O and P is an external point. So we have to prove here. To prove is PA equal to PB. Okay, P and PB are equal, we need to prove. For that we have to do one construction. The construction is join OP, join OA and join OB. Okay. Here if we draw the, here it is a triangle tangents and this O and OB are the radius. According to first theorem we have already proved this angle should be your 90 degree. Okay. So in construction we write join OA, OB and OP. Now proof. In proof we consider these two triangle OAP and OBP. Okay. So in triangle OAP and triangle OBP. Now consider the two triangle. Here easily we can write ki angle OAP is equal to angle OBP. Of course, reason is radius is perpendicular to tangent at the point of contact. Okay. So this angle equal to this angle 90 degree. OP and OP in both the triangles, so OP is common. OP is equal to OP common, and then OA equal to OB also we can write ki OA is equal to OB. Reason, radii of the same circle. Radii of the same circle. Radii of the same circle. So this side equal to this side, this is your common and this is your 90 degree. So right angle hypotenuse side. So by RHS criteria, we can write triangle OAP is congruent to triangle OBP. And if the two triangles are congruent, then we know all the corresponding parts are equal. So we can write AP equal to BP or PA equal to PB, and that only we have to prove. So we can say hence proved. is very simple and short theorem, but it's very important theorem in the circle. Mainly we have only two theorems, number 1 and this theorem number 2. Okay, but here also we can conclude the two result. So two result here we can conclude since here we can conclude the two more result since these two triangles are congruent, all the corresponding parts are equal, so this angle also will be equal to this angle and this angle also will be equal to this angle. So that also we can use number 1 angle APO will be equal to angle BPO. Means the tangents are equally inclined. These tangents are equally inclined with the line segment joining the point to the center. And second one is also we can write angle OAP, angle AOP is equal to angle BOP. This also we can use, and we state means this angle equal to this angle equal to this angle, and this also we can use, and we can say that tangents subtends equal angles at the center. Okay, thank you.